Why are you still paying for travel insurance and roaming fees when you could be getting them for free with a card that has no annual fee? I've spent the last year putting the Rogers World Elite MasterCard through its paces, and while most people get it for the cash back, the travel perks are the real hidden value. If you're a Rogers, Fido, or Shaw customer, this card is essentially a cheat code for your vacation budget. The standout feature for me is the 5 free roam-like home days every year. If you've ever paid $15 a day to use your phone in Europe or the US, you know how fast that adds up. That's a $75 to $90 value just for holding the card. I used mine during a quick trip to New York, and the credit appeared right on my Rogers bill, no hassle, no activation required. Then there's the 3% cash back on US dollar purchases. Most travel cards charge a 2.5% foreign transaction fee and give you 1% back. This card effectively covers that fee and puts a little extra back in your pocket. Plus, if you're a Rogers customer, you get a 1.5x redemption bonus when you use your rewards to pay your phone or internet bill, making your effective earn rate on everyday CAD spending a solid 3%. For a no-fee card, the insurance suite is surprisingly robust. You get emergency medical, up to $1 million for the first 10 days of your trip. Trip cancellation and interruption, coverage up to $1,000 per person. Finding trip cancellation on a $0 annual fee card is incredibly rare. Rental car collision/damage covers vehicles with an MSRP up to $65,000, so you can confidently decline the expensive insurance at the rental counter. Lastly, you get a complimentary MasterCard travel pass provided by Dragon Pass. While it doesn't give you free lounge entries, you'll still pay $32 per visit. It gives you the access itself, which is perfect for those long layovers when you just need a shower and a quiet place to sit. If you meet the $80,000 personal income requirement, this is arguably the best set-it-and-forget-it travel companion in Canada. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.